Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has caught our attention for its versatility and efficiency, the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a 6-in-1 lightweight stick vacuum with LED headlights. We found this gem online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? This cordless vacuum cleaner is designed to make your cleaning experience more convenient and effective. With its lightweight design and powerful features, it promises to tackle everything from pet hair to dust with ease. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make this vacuum cleaner a must-have. First up is its ability to effectively pick up pet hair. If you're a pet owner, you know how challenging it can be to keep your home free of fur. The motorized brush is specifically designed to lift embedded pet hair from upholstery, area rugs, and even car seats. This means you can quickly and easily clean up after your furry friends, ensuring your home looks as good as new. Another important aspect is its high-efficiency filtration system. This fully sealed system captures fine dust, pollen, and dander, preventing them from blowing back into your living space. This feature is especially beneficial for households that prioritize air quality and want to create a healthier environment for their families. Now, let's discuss the design. One of the best things about this vacuum is how lightweight it is. This makes it easy to carry upstairs or lift onto counters for quick cleanups without straining your arms. Plus, once you're done, it's simple to store. You can hang it on the wall mount or stand it in a corner, making it a great fit for small spaces like closets or apartments. Battery life is always a concern with cordless vacuums, but this model shines here too. It offers long-lasting runtime, allowing you to clean your entire home on a single charge. The included wall mount makes recharging straightforward, just hang it up and plug it in when you're finished. One of the highlights of this vacuum is its flexibility. The 180-degree swivel brush head with LED lights allows it to glide under furniture and maneuver around obstacles for thorough floor cleaning. But that's not all. When you need to clean stairs, sofas, or even the car interior, you can easily detach the handheld unit. The vacuum also comes with a crevice tool and dusting brush, providing you with all the attachments you need to tackle various surfaces in tight corners. So, who is this vacuum suitable for? It's perfect for pet owners who need something effective for pet hair, individuals living in smaller spaces due to its compact design, and anyone who wants a lightweight option for daily cleanups. Whether you have hardwood floors, carpets, or a mix of both, this vacuum adapts to your cleaning needs. In practical use cases, you can quickly clean up pet hair from your couch after a long day at work, tackle dust in hard-to-reach areas like curtain rods or corners, or even keep your car tidy after a family trip. The versatility of this vacuum makes it an invaluable tool in any home. In summary, the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner's 6-in-1 lightweight stick with LED headlights is a fantastic investment for anyone looking for a powerful yet flexible cleaning solution. With its ability to effectively pick up pet hair, high-efficiency filtration system, lightweight design, long-lasting battery, and multiple cleaning options, it truly stands out in the market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.